Congratulations, graduates. Well done on a fabulous achievement. This is an exciting occasion, and I hope you take the time to enjoy this moment. On behalf of all of us in the joint MSc and Ecological Restoration program, we wish you all the best as you embark on the next stage of your journey. It's been a pleasure to work with you during your time in the Masters program, to hear your stories, exchange ideas, and collectively explore ways that we can make a contribution to strengthening our environment. As you are aware, we're heading into the United Nations Decade on Ecological Restoration. What a time to be involved in shaping our environmental futures through your contributions to restoration of ecosystems. The knowledge and skills that you've developed during your time in the MSc program will equip you with the critical thinking and practical skills to make an effective contribution in this important time. And we'd love you to stay in touch. We'll be reaching out to keep you connected and update you on what's happening in the program. And we also hope to support new connections between our wider alumni groups. Once again, well done.